we want to share with you how to get to the course material that you have access to. First of all, you should just click on login. You should already have a username and a password that should be sent to you in another email. Click on login, type in your email address and the password you've been given. And after you click OK, it'll take you to a page like this. So you may see My Products, so you have access to the PIP Club and to the course material. So you click on the PIP Club, it'll give you the links that you can sign up for the days you would wish to attend. They're updated each month. Then you can also go to the 1551 trading strategy. Now it's named 1551 because that's where we time most of the entries. You can also trade it on the 4-hour and the 1-hour and 15-minute, or the 1-hour, 15 and 5-minute. And so this course is designed for both long-term and short-term trading. You click on there and then you have access to all the videos that you'll see here. There are videos added on occasion and you'll be able to view those. When you attend the PIP Club, if you haven't watched the videos, you may not totally understand what's taking place. If you watch some of these videos, then you'll understand a little bit about what we're doing, what we're looking for. Hope you enjoy the course and your visit to the PIP Club if you can make it, and we'll talk to you later.